Hello my dear student. So today we will discuss about the NEET question paper 2020. As you already know that the NEET exam has already been conducted on 13th September 2020. So in this video we will discuss basically the biology section. So in biology section, as you know, questions came from geology and botany both. So we will see what is the weightage of questions from geology and the botany in the NEET 2020. And we will also see the chapter wise distribution of questions. Next, we will see the difficulty level. How many questions are easy, how many questions are difficult. So we will discuss each and every point one by one. But before actual start of this biology section discussion, we will see what is the overall score according to the students. Well, according to the level of examination, as you know, exam is much easier as compared to 2019. But most of the questions are tricky one. So you need deep understanding to solve those questions. So the overall NEET score analysis is the highest score chances is above 700 marks. And if you need admission in medical college, that is government, so you need at least 460 marks. And for qualify, you need approximately 145 marks. So this is the overall NEET score analysis. So now we will start the biology question discussion. So the total questions came in NEET exam of biology are 90. And these 90 questions are from geology and the botany. So what is the proportion of this geology and botany? So 47 questions are of geology and 43 are of botany. Next, we will see the distribution of questions according to the difficulty level. So out of these 90 questions, 26 are easy type. You can easily answer these questions. You don't have to think a lot. You don't need deep understanding. They are so much easy questions. So there are 26 easy questions. Second, medium type of questions. They are neither easy nor we say they are very difficult. So there are 31 medium type of questions and 33 questions are difficult one. These are tricky type questions and you must have deep understanding. You should have thoroughly read the NCERT and have deep knowledge of each and every word of the NCERT. Then only you are able to answer such type of question. So the number of such questions is 33. So this is the overall distribution according to the difficulty level. Next, we will see the number of questions which came from different chapters and from different classes. First is our geology section, and in geology section, first we will discuss about the questions which came from class 12. So from class 12, 25 questions came in geology. And what are the chapters from which these questions come? First is our animal husbandry and biotechnology section, and in this total 10 questions are asked. 3 are easy, 4 are medium type and 3 are difficult one. Next is our evolution, and from evolution total 4 questions has been asked, and out of these 4 questions 3 are easy and 1 is difficult one. Next chapter is our human health and diseases, and from this chapter total again 4 questions asked, 3 are medium and one is difficult type. And the last chapter of geology from 12th standard is a human reproduction and reproductive health. So here 4 questions are asked, and out of these 4 questions, 2 are medium type and 2 are difficult one. So total 25 questions asked from class 12th. Next is our class 11th. So total 22 questions asked from class 11th in geology. So first chapter is our animal kingdom, and in animal kingdom total 5 questions are asked, and out of these 5 questions 2 are easy, 2 are medium type and 1 is difficult one. Next chapter is our biomolecules, and from biomolecules 6 questions are asked, and out of these 6 questions 3 are easy, 2 are medium and 1 is difficult type. Next chapter from which a lots of question asked is our human physiology, and in this total 12 questions asked, that is a big number. Out of 22, 12 questions asked from this chapter only, that is our human physiology. So in human physiology 1 is easy type question and 7 are medium type, and the 4 questions are difficult one. So this is a major portion. Next chapter is our structural organization in animals, and from this 2 questions are asked, and out of these 2 questions 1 is easy type and 1 is difficult type. So this is the overall distribution of questions from the geology section. So you will see total easy questions are at 13 and medium type are 20 and the difficult one are 14 type. Total 47 questions asked from this geology sections, and this is the distribution. So the maximum questions are medium type. Next is our botany section. In botany section, first we will see 12th class. So in 12, 18 questions asked of botany. First chapter is our biology in human welfare, and in this chapter 1 is medium type, 1 is difficult type, and total 2 questions asked. Next chapter is our ecology, and in this chapter total 7 questions asked, and out of these 7 questions 2 are easier type, 2 are medium type and 3 are difficult one. Next chapter is our sexual reproduction in plants, and in this total 2 questions asked, 1 is easy and 1 is medium type. And the last chapter of class 12 is our genetics, and from this genetics total 7 questions asked, and out of these 7 questions 2 are easy type, 1 is medium type and 4 are difficult one. Next is our 11th standard, and from 11th standard 25 questions asked. So the 11th standard weightage is more as compared to 12th class. So the first chapter of 11th standard is our cell and the cell cycle, and in this total 6 questions asked. That's really a big number, and out of these 6, 1 is easy, 1 medium and 4 are difficult one. Next chapter is a diversity in life, and from this chapter 1 is easy type, 3 medium and 1 difficult, and again the number is 5. Next chapter is our plant physiology, and in this 3 are easy, 2 medium and the 4 are difficult type question, and the total question is 9 questions. That's really a big number. And the last is our structural organization of plants, and from this section total 5 questions asked, and out of these 5 questions 3 are easy type and 2 are difficult one. So in botany the main emphasis is on plant physiology and the cell cycle, And in case of 12th standard, ecology and genetics, given more emphasis as most of the questions asked from these sections. So total easy type questions, if we see in botany, are 13, medium type are 11, and the difficult one are 19, and overall 43 questions asked. So botany is more difficult as compared to geology because the difficult questions are more in case of botany. So this is the overall distribution of questions in NEET exam 2020. So if this video is useful for you, please like and subscribe our channel.